Well, well, well. What's this? Oh, it's heavy. I got it. Golly. This is a lot more difficult than it looks, really. Yeah. Ooh. Wheel spacers. Obviously hub-centric. Now I know what you're thinking. Coy, why didn't you just buy wheels that make your car a little bit wider? Truth is, I'm just a poor college boy. So this is the next best thing. We're gonna go ahead and get the other ones unpacked, and then we're gonna go put them on the car. Okay, alright. So this is what the car looks like now. It's definitely not where I want it. It's pretty much the same in the front. These ones are 1.5. It will be a little more aggressive. My brother actually wanted me to do 2-inch. Now I'm like, no. That would be rally car spec. I just took these wheels off last week so I can get them painted. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and click right here. I had a lot of fun making that video. It was actually a lot of fun to edit. All right, let's put these on. Alright, the first wheel off, it is a little, actually it's very dirty right here, so we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up because you want the spacer to lie on a perfectly flat surface, and there is some rust here and some little bits of dust, so we're going to get this cleaned up and then put the spacer on. Alright, we got the surface all cleaned up. It's pretty smooth now, definitely smooth enough to put our spacer on, so let's get to it. Get this bad boy. It's going to slide on just like that. Perfect. By the way, I do want to address these springs back here. These are lowering springs I have on the car. I put them on, I believe, 3 months ago, but I didn't film it. I think it lowers about a little over 1 inch in the front and maybe like 1 3/4 inches in the back. It might be more than that. It sits pretty low, and I scrape on pretty much everything. Make sure both surfaces, right here and right here, are clean before putting the spacer on. The car is still up on a jack, but first spacer is on. It'll look better when it's lowered off the jack. I got that ugly little space right there, but we're gonna go ahead and get the other 3 on, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, so I'm just gonna put it in fast motion.
Okay guys, so we got the spacers. I say as in my brother, we got the spacers put on the Mustang, and to be honest with you, I did absolutely nothing with this. I've been busy doing other stuff, but they're on. The car looks a lot better than it did. Thanks for watching, bye.
You gotta give me some redneck advice.
Redneck advice, don't buy a Ford.